Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on haptic feedback on Keypress for Gboard. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings application to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now, scroll down and locate the System option. It's typically located towards the bottom of the list. Tap on System to open the next set of options. This section controls a variety of settings on your device, including language preferences, keyboard settings, and more. Step 3. Next, locate the keyboard options. Tap on it, and then tap the on-screen keyboard option. Step 4. Now, locate the Gboard option and tap on it. Step 5. Next, locate the Preferences option and tap on it. Scroll down and find the haptic feedback on Keypress option. Unfortunately, this option is turned off by default. Step 6. For the last and most important step, tap the haptic feedback on Keypress option to turn it on instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.